everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we wrote our very first JavaScript program, Hello World, and learned how to put JavaScript inside an HTML file or in an external file. If you haven't watched that yet, go back and check it out so you can follow. Today, we're taking things a step further and learning about variables and data types in JavaScript. These are some of the most fundamental concepts in programming, so it's important to understand how they work. What are variables? A variable is a container that stores data values. Think of it like a box that holds information. In JavaScript, you can declare a variable using let, const, or var keywords. Here is a basic example. In this line of code, we declared a variable called name and assigned it the value malloc. The let keyword is used to define a variable, and malloc is a string, which is a data type we'll talk about in a moment. You can also change the value of a let variable like this. Now the variable name holds the value Muhammad instead of malloc. Next, let's talk about const. A const variable is similar to let, but once you assign a value to it, you can change it later. Here is an example. Once you set the value of age to 25, you can't change it anymore. If you try to assign a new value, JavaScript will give you an error. Let me show you. I will try to change the value of age to 50. Refresh the page, you will see the error in the console because const variables can't be changed after they are set. Now, let's talk about data types. Variables can hold different types of data. The most common types you will use are strings. These are sequences of characters and are written inside quotes. For example, greeting. Assign the value hello world. Numbers. These are numeric values like 10. Booleans. These are true-false value. Arrays. These are lists of values stored in a single variable. For example, fruits array contain apple, banana, cherry, and we can add more. Objects. These are complex data types that can store multiple values in key-value pairs. Here is an example. Person have 3 attributes. Name, age, a student. Alright, let's print all of those variables in the browser's console. Use console.log that we used in the previous video and put the name of the variable. Save your file and refresh your browser. If everything is working, you should see hello world 10 true, the array value, and the object value printed in the console. Recapitulation. Today, we learned about variables and data types in JavaScript. We talked about how to use let and const to declare variables, and we covered basic data types like strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, and objects. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. In the next video, we're going to explore operators in JavaScript, things like addition, subtractions, comparisons, and more. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video. Bye!